Hi everyone. A lot of young folks message us. Hey, I just got married and now my wife's about to kick me out of the bedroom because I'm snoring like a chainsaw. Before marriage, it was cute. Now it's loud, like walls shaking loud. Some wives are ready to move into another room. But come on, once you are in separate bedroom, it's only a matter of time before the relationship takes a hit. Here's my advice. If your snoring is that bad, get yourself a little CPAP machine. Yeah, it's made for sleep apnea. But it also cures snoring, and snoring is one of the biggest signs of sleep apnea anyway. Put on a CPAP and boom, silence. You keep the bed and your marriage stays happy. We've seen it all. Newlyweds, pregnant wives, even couples married for 30 years where the wife is the one rattling the windows. CPAP fixes it every single time. Even students use it in dorms so their roommates don't hate them. Sure, it looks like a little weird at first, but it works. Bottom line, if your snoring is driving people crazy, CPAP can save your sleep and your relationships. Okay? Thank you.